Hey guys, this is Don Ross over at REI Automation and Easy Button REI, and just wanted to go over our Beast Mode CRM training portal, where to locate it, what it has, and kind of how to navigate it a little bit. Been some questions on it, who can access it, things like that. So on your workspace, when we set you up, it's going to look like this, and on here you've got some report tiles. On those report tiles, you've got an image of a lion. If you click that, it's going to open up the training portal for the CRM. Click the image here for the Easy button. That'll take you to the support services that we offer, things like skip tracing and list source accounts, and the app for repair costs and things like that are all over there. So the training portal here, if you click on it, will take you to the videos that we've got and some of the documents that we've got that show how to work the system and the platform itself. And then your support links are going to be down here. So we'll talk more about on the support links when we come back in a little bit. But click on the image of the lion and it will open up this web page right here. That's going to be the Training Academy. The first go around, you will have to register for it if you have not already created an account. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to access our free training. This can be accessed by your VAs, your leads manager, acquisition disposition. They've just got to register with their email and then they can access that training area. So we've got an account. We're already logged in, as you can see up here on the top right. We're going to resume the course by clicking on that. We'll open up the course. This has changed a little bit over the last week or two. There's got a new look to it, so it's a little bit easier to navigate. You can see here, this is what it loads to. There's going to be the different steps or chapters here, and it'll show how many items are in each chapter. So normally what we recommend is going to that welcome screen, and if we click on it, it's going to go ahead and let you know kind of what to expect. It's going to tell you what the live Q&A is on Thursdays at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's going to give you the link for the Zoom call that we do. You just click on that. It'll open up at 1 p.m. Pacific Time. You can click on it, and we do a live Q&A. Go through any questions you got on Zoom and screen share right there. Support, if you need anything, reach out. Send in an email to the support desk to that email address. It'll create a support ticket via email. You'll be able to respond back and forth on that. Voxer is an audio walkie-talkie app that we use, and you can add us using the screen name right there, and we'll talk back and forth. And then lastly, the social media. So social media on here is the Facebook app or the Facebook groups that we have. It's the REI Automation Podio group and the private CRM group for Beast Mode. So join into those groups. You can add members if you would like of your team, and we can go through some of the support right there. And then as you're in the course itself, what we normally recommend is going through the welcome screen, going through the different videos that we have here, and then really just getting into chapter 1 with the getting started and help and support. And then your settings, if you go into chapter 2, it'll have kind of the basic settings of Podio and some of the things we recommend to take a look at, as well as a full walkthrough of a workspace, which is about an hour-long call where we did a full walkthrough of the workspace, kind of how things work and integrate back and forth, and that'll help you out there. Now, that's usually where I tell people to start, and within the first week or two, if you're new to Podio, that's probably the best spot to start. Then if you set up a 60-minute one-on-one call, we can kind of deep dive into some of the questions you have after using the platform for a week or two. Once you're kind of comfortable and familiar with it, Chapter 4 really has some of the better stuff as far as the different apps and getting more in depth of what each app does and some of the buttons in each app. And then lastly, after you've gone into that stuff, you can start going down to some of the integrations and how-tos down here. We no longer use Live Broadcast, so that will be going away. We do use the Easy Button RVM for both drip and for mass RVM. So got questions, jump in there. The other thing you can do is go over to easybuttonrei.com, go into the support services or services offered, ringless, and you can get some information there. We also have the simple CRM. So if you have friends or clients that need a free CRM and they're not looking for all the bells and whistles and automation, Simple CRM is here on this right here, and they can use the free Podio account, and they have up to 500 items where it'll continue to be free. Otherwise, the Beast Mode stuff is, again, in the Academy by clicking on the lion. If you need any type of support, we've got the support links here. And if you want to jump on the Q&A call on weekly Thursdays at 1 p.m. Pacific time, you can click this, and it's a link to open up that Zoom call. The only one that I would really use as far as a link to open up is going to be the Podio group and the Zoom calls, and as well as maybe the Beast Mode group here. The support link here, this is just meant to copy and paste, not meant to click on. Again, same thing with Voxer. It's really meant to just have as the screen name right there for the Voxer account. Guys, got any questions, reach out to us on the Podio Facebook group or Beast Mode Facebook group. If not, reach out via support ticket and look forward to supporting y'all. If you need anything, let me know.